Most drivers in Kenya forget the one thing that keeps you safe on the road: your tires. In today's fast 2-minute guide, I'll show you how to maintain your tires like a pro, no garage visit needed. Start with pressure. Most sedans in Kenya need around 30 to 35 psi. Too low, you burn more fuel. Too high, you risk a blowout. Next, use the coin test. Just insert a 5-bob coin into your tread. If the ridge is fully visible, it's time to replace that tire. Feeling vibrations at speed? Your alignment may be off. Rotate your tires every 8,000 kilometers, especially if you drive on mixed terrain. Here's a bonus. Always tighten your valve caps to prevent leaks. And don't forget to check your spare. Most people only notice it's flat when they actually need it. Tire care is road safety. Like, share, and subscribe for more real-world car care in Kenya. Comment below if you've ever had a tire scare.